so excited because we are about to do two of my favorite things: see a gorgeous home and find out how you can give back to our community. Look who is here.
Hello.
Hello, Andrew Bloom is here. He's the CEO and co-founder of BVO Luxury Group, and he's going to walk us through an amazing house, but also we're going to talk about how the fact you guys are giving back yet again this holiday season.
Yes.
So let's talk first of all, open houses. A lot of people think that just because the holidays are happening, we're not going to do an open house, or there's not going to be an open house, or I'm not even going to sell my home through the holidays. Is that true?
Well, we know that the most serious buyers are shopping during the holidays.
Really?
Right? It just
I'm a little surprised about that.
It excites people. People have a little less work to do, right? They've taken a little time away from work, and now it's time for them to start adventuring into where they want to live and get ready to move during the new year.
Okay, all right, well there you go. Who knew, right? Okay, so I want you to kind of walk us through this home that is here in the Valley. You represent luxury homes and luxury buyers, luxury sellers. I have to tell you, Andrew, this property here that we're taking a look at, unbelievably gorgeous.
It's stunning. We do represent the finest homes throughout the Valley, and it's really a privilege for us to be able to represent a home like this. This home's located in the Upper Canyon of Silverleaf. Silverleaf currently has quite a few outstanding homes that are completed and ready to occupy. You can move in just in time for the holidays.
Excellent. And a lot of times people think, okay, well, if I'm looking to maybe sell over the holidays, maybe I can't really decorate my home. Is that true?
Well, we always say less is more. So when you've got your home on the market during the holidays, you do want to decorate and still, celebrate the season.
Sure.
But maybe not so much over the top.
Okay.
I mean,
tone it down a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful backyard here. And just back to the properties that you're representing right now. Many of them are in communities where there's clubhouses and golf amenities and fitness centers, but many of them are not. Many of them just have spectacular views and are simply gorgeous.
Well, we represent everything in the marketplace, right? From condos to castles and everything in between. The BVO Luxury Group is here to service this community at a very high level, regardless of price point, regardless of location. We provide the same level of service to everybody that we represent.
All right, and on top of that, we got to talk about giving back. St. Mary's Food Bank, they are always in need of food, and especially this time of year. And what are you doing to give back this year?
Yeah, well, just like as always, our open houses and all of our listings serve as collection points for St. Mary's Food Bank. So if you're a neighbor or you're coming in through one of our open houses, come by with some non-perishable food items so that we can deliver those to St. Mary's Food Bank just in time for the holidays.
Wow, you're always busy, especially during the holidays.
We are. We love what we do, and it just never feels like work.
Well, that's when it really, really matters. Okay, so just remember non-perishable items. And you might be wondering, okay, where are some of those open houses? Where can I drop off these goods? Where can I see some beautiful homes? Well, here's how you find out. Text the word turkey to 59559 for all of St. Mary's Food Drive info with the BVO Luxury Group, which is located at 7400 East Pinnacle Peak Road. That's Suite 100 in Scottsdale. You can call 1-833-BVO-SOLD or 1-833-286-7653. You can always visit the website, see more beautiful homes at 833bvosold.com.